Welcome to the brand new model home over here in Poplar Farms. We're going to be looking at this brand new model home by Meritage Homes. Now, this is a 4 beds, 3 baths. You're looking at 2,074 square feet, and this is the Mackenzie. And oh my gosh, am I excited to share this with you. But hey, if this is your first time on the channel, let me just stop and say welcome. Again, my name is Bourgeois. I am your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent and really your resource for all things Nashville. So if you're looking at a brand new home like we're looking at today, or you're looking at a resale home, you're looking to list, move, or even relocate, really want to be a resource for you, and I definitely want to make this be the easiest, smoothest process for you. Hey, if you're moving in the next 9 days or you're moving in the next 90, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can text me, email me, call me. Let's connect face to face, figure out exactly what it is you're looking for, and really just make this be the absolute smoothest process for you. Hey, make sure you like, you subscribe, you turn on that notification bell. Notification bell is just going to make sure you're getting as much up-to-date content as possible throughout this entire process. Other than that, welcome to your new home. Now, again, I mentioned that today we are here at the brand new community of Poplar Farms. And if you're not familiar with Poplar Farms, it actually happens to be located in Franklin and in Williamson County, Tennessee. And if you've been following me for any length of time, you know that Williamson County has been ranked time and time again as one of the best places to live in Tennessee, one of the best places to raise your family, and one of the best places to send your kids to school. Now, today we're going to be looking at a brand new model home here in Poplar Farms. Now, if you're not familiar with Poplar Farms, I'm going to make sure at the end of this video that you get a full tour of the community and an overview. But to briefly go ahead and explain it, Poplar Farms is being built by 2 different builders, Signature Homes and Meritage Homes. And one of the things that Meritage Homes is doing that's super unique compared to any of the other builders in the area is they are truly building a home that is move-in ready for you. And what that means is you go ahead, you pick out the floor plan that you absolutely love, you pick out the lot of your home, and you can know within 45 to 60 days, you are being able to move into your home. Now, I know the biggest question that you're going to be asking is how in the world are they being able to do that? Well, unlike what you might be doing with some other builders where you go ahead and you go to the design studio, you add on those additional costs and those structural changes, all of the homes that Meritage Homes is building has already had their designer curated finishes added to them. So the nice thing is the homes that you walk in, the prices that they're listed at are the true prices that they have. And then on top of that, when we talk move-in ready, we're talking everything from washer and dryer to tankless water heater. We're talking even refrigerator and blinds, everything that you truly need to be able to go ahead and move into your home. Now, the floor plan that we're going to be looking at is the Mackenzie, and you're looking at 4 beds, 3 baths, 2,074 square feet. You've got a 2-car garage and just a couple of things that I just absolutely loved about this home. I mean, from the moment you walk up on this home, you are greeted by that beautiful wraparound front porch. This community is definitely going to have that traditional front porch live-in where you can go ahead, look across the way, wave at your neighbors, be able to enjoy the sidewalks in the community cabana neighborhood pool. You'll have a fitness center, and as you walk into this home, you're greeted just by that beautiful front flex room and office space. I love how you've got those beautiful glass doors that lead you into that office, and then you've got those gorgeous glass doors that lead you back out to the porch as well. You come in and you're greeted by that gourmet chef's kitchen with those cabinets to the ceiling. Got that gas range stove top for you as well. Your primary is on the main level with a bonus loft and suite upstairs. Probably the thing that I just absolutely loved the most about this home is the ability to be able to get into Franklin with some of the best schools that Franklin and Williamson County have to offer at a price point that is absolutely unheard of. Other than that, enjoy your tour.